Hi guys, today we will be opening guys Pokemon Starburst or Starverse, no? This was actually released last January of 2022 pa. So, pwede na rin siya ma-considered as vintage pack, I guess. And this is actually bought as loose packs, no? It is loose packs daw, sabi sa description. Why? Kasi wala na siyang shrink wrap. Ayun. Yung shrink wrap, guys, yun yung nakalagay pa dito habang binibili mo siya. However, nilagay naman nila dito yung serial number. Ayun. So, kinikinig nila na wala lang siyang shrink wrap, pero the contents are the same, sabi nila. Ayun. So, tignan natin, guys. No? Ang chase card dito is actually yung Charizard V. Ayun. And then, Charizard V-Star. And then, Arceus V. Okay? Check natin. Ito sealed naman siya. Ayan. Talagang sabi nga, ang claim niya nga lang is wala lang talagang shrink wrap. So, binenta niya pa rin considering as a loose pack. Ganon. Ganon niya siya binenta. Anyway, let's open it up. No? Check natin kung totoo nga na original lahat ng laman. Ayan. Let's see. Yun. So, as we all know, dapat 30 siya. No? 30 pieces siya. Okay. Start natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then 15. Okay. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So, good siya. 30 pa rin siya. Ayan. Okay. Yung last video ko, nag-open tayo sa right. Ngayon naman, mag-open tayo dito sa left side. Sana makakuha tayo ulit ng rare, no? Like yung last video natin dun sa Crimson Ace. Nakuha tayo ng Greninja. Okay, Chino, Execute, Cloud, and Heatran. Then this one. So, dapat makakuha din tayo ng alt art na 3 or 4. Either 3 or 4 alt arts or full art. Okay, as long as, you know, okay siya. Electabuzz, Turtwig, and a hollow. Okay, first hollow for this right now. Load cell. Bilisan lang natin. No? May pasok pa kasi mamaya. Give a let's here fairy. Now okay. So it was released January 2022, and this is considered the Brilliant Star Setos English version. And it was released like February of 2022. Okay. Let's see. Oh, first V for this video. This is a Flygon V. It's a double rare. Sabi na natin siya. Nice. Okay, Baltoy. Baltoy. Rain, then double energy, Electabuzz. Chimchar, Corphish. Oh, second hollow. It's Empoleon. And the evolution of Baltoy. Claydol. I think it should be 4 hollows. Let's see. sock or fish execute. Hey, this is actually good. No? Execute the, what's that? Alolan? Executor? Forgot kung saan region siya. But that's the next booster box that we will having. It's Dragona Paradise. You know, Latios Latias. It's nice actually. Yeah, Bozo. Ooh, second V for this video. Nice. It's another double rare. Let's go. Up. Execute. Char. Third hollow. The evolution of Bidoof, right? Yeah. Third hollow. Let's see. Charizard, come on. Charizard, please. Charizard V or Charizard V Star. That's actually nice. Okay. Fable, Probopass. Farfetch, Magmar. Nice. The evolution of Turtwig and a hollow Luxray. Nice. Nakakapat na tayong hollow guys and then dalawang V. Type Pokemon, Cast Form. Is this Duskull? Shinx, Hitan. Let's see guys. Piplup, Soljif. Cast Form and a V-Star. Yes. Nice, 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 nice. V-Star. Let's see. V-Star. I'm trying to preserve the card as much as I can kasi ipapag-grade ko na siya lahat soon. And I think I'll be posting a video as well kung ano yung mga isasend ko for grading. Normally, for Pokemon cards, it is preferably sending it to PSA. But for me, I'll be sending this to BGS. I think. No? Kasi mas preferred ko yung grading ni BGS kasi napaka-meticulous talaga nila when it comes to grading. Okay, another hollow. Gabite. And the Lapras. Okay. Clunk. Chino. Nosepass. Oh, one of the weather gods. I don't know anong tawag doon. Basta nalaro ko lang siya sa Switch. And I think apat sila. No? Okay. See. Oh Lord. Okay. Shroomish. Nice. Okay. Charizard. May pakita bang Charizard for today? Please. Charizard V. Charizard V Star. God Arceus. What the buzz? Okay. Another hollow. And Luxray. Oh, no. This is not Luxray yet. Is this Luxray? Oh, Luxray na pala. Okay. Fetch, Brainer, Structure. Okay. Yan. Let's go. Madali lang palang i-open yung packs dati. Oh, okay. That's fine. Magmar. Uy! Another V. It's a Raichu V. Raichu V. Nice. So far, we have 3 Vs na and then 1 V star. Isang V star lang ba kada ano? Kada isang box? Is it already? The V star that we are looking for sa box na to. But I'm still hoping na sana magkaroon pa rin ng Charizard, guys. Okay. Obvious. Okay. Let's see. Yo, another V. It's Arceus V, the god himself. Arceus V. So, ito na kaya ang sign? Magpapakita siya. I hope. Yep. Serrations. As for... Okay, Fion. And then... Magmortar. God, I'm still positive, guys. Charizard, please. Charizard. Kahit na ng Charizard lang, oh. Sock. Set the Sock. So, fighting Pokemon. Bus. It's a Moltres. Hollow. Okay. Chile. Chino. Electivire. Okay, Electabuzz. Anyway, last 4 packs. Electabuzz, Baltoy, Shroomish. Yun! Charizard V-Star. Nice. It's a triple rare. Charizard V-Star. Lagyan natin siya dito. Okay. And of course, top loader po tayo. Guys, I'm sending all the Charizard that I have sa BGS. And let's see kung ano yung magiging grade niya. Okay, for me, okay naman yung centering. Ayan. Okay. Our first Charizard. Magkaroon kaya ng next Charizard. Charizard V-Star. Okay. Fairy. And Float Cell. Okay. Last 3 packs. Lang. Bidoof. Executor. Nice, 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 nice. Okay. Ating secret rare. Our secret rare for today. Let's go. So, since we have our secret rare, guys, alam na. Okay? This is our secret rare for this set. There you go. Then, second to the last pack. Ching. Results, Tractor, Turtwig, Clade, okay. Last one. Last pack. Magic. Let's see. Okay. Hollow. Okay. So, let's see. Ito lahat ng hollow natin. Ultras, Strainers, Gabite, Luxray. Yun. And then for our secret rare, so, info. Okay. And then Charizard V-Star. Okay. Arceus V, Raichu V. Then I forgot his name, the V-Star. Okay. And then the evolution of Marowak. Yes. And then Flygon. So it's 4 Vs. And then 2 V-Stars and 1 secret rare. So yan lang guys. Thank you for watching and abang pa kayo ng next unboxing natin. Thank you!